Dear friends, you see here the notification from CSIR, Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants, Lucknow. This is a central government organization is offering for the following posts. Just you see, Junior Secretariat Assistant General, Junior Secretariat Assistant Finance and Accounts, Junior Secretariat Assistant Stores and Purchase, Junior Stenographer, and few many categories are there. But we are being stenographers. Just we can see the concerned posts only. So here you see for these posts the starting date of online applications from 29th December 2021. That means the online application process already started, and the last date for online application is 10th February 2022, that is, and last date for receipt of printout copy of application along with relevant documents. And they are, I mean, just you send your physical copies also to the concerned address up to 25th February 2022, that is. And now let us see the designations and posts. They are Junior Secretariat Assistant General. It is, I mean, seven vacancies are there, and if the candidate selects for this post, he may get around 31,438. For this, 28 years is required age here, and the relaxation also applicable as per Government of India rules for that. And here also JSA, Junior Secretariat Assistant Finance and Accounts. There here is only one vacancy. This is also the same 30 plus thousand rupees for which 28 years. And here also Junior Secretariat Assistant Stores and Purchase, one vacancy here. The same thing is here. Now we can see here Junior Stenographers, four vacancies are here, unreserved for three and OBC for one vacancy. Here just approximately 42,700 here if the person gets selected for this, and 27 years of age is applicable here, but the relaxation also applicable as per Government of India rules. These are the things, and you see here the qualifications for JSA, that is 10 plus 2, that is equal to intermediate, and proficiency test also here at the rate of 35 words per minute in typing, that is on computers. You have to type on computers at the rate of 35 words per minute in English and 30 words per minute in Hindi. Graduation is a desirable qualification here, and here the place of work Lucknow, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Pantnagar here for junior secretariat assistant. And let us see for junior stenographer vacancies. The qualification is 10 plus 2, that is equal to intermediate. And here you see the proficiency test, that is in shorthand at the rate of 80 words per minute. Dictation will be there in English. And you see the desired qualification is graduation. And if the candidates selects for the stenographer post, they have to work there. That is Lucknow, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Patna. I mean Pantnagar. So you have to apply for this if you are eligible for these vacancies. And if you see here, mm, selection process here for junior secretariat assistant, eligible candidates will be invited for a typing test, competitive written examination, while the typing speed test will only be qualifying in nature. The final merit list will be prepared on the basis of the performance of the candidates in the competitive written examination. The merit list on the basis of the marks obtained by the candidates in paper 2 will only comprise of those candidates who have qualified the proficiency test in typing speed at the rate of 35 words per minute in English and 30 words per minute in Hindi accordingly. And for junior stenographer, eligible candidates will be invited for stenography test, competitive written examination, while the proficiency in stenography will only be qualifying in nature. The final merit list will be prepared on the basis of the performance of the candidate in the competitive written examination. The merit list will only comprise on those candidates who have qualified the proficiency test in stenography. That is criteria, dear friends. And you see here for junior stenographers, mode of examination, objective type, that is multiple choice examination, medium of questions in English and Hindi also. The standard of exam 12th class, number of questions 200, for which the time allotted is 2 hours. And you see the syllabus here: general intelligence and reasoning for 50 questions, general awareness 50 questions, and English language and comprehension for 100 questions and 100 marks, in total 200, and negative marks also considered accordingly. And also proficiency test in stenography, that is 10 minutes duration, that is 10 minutes dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute in English, and for which the transcription time is 50 minutes, that is. And rest of the same, these are all general instructions. Just you see here, 10th February 2022 is the last date for submission of online applications, dear friends. That is. So these are all general instructions, dear friends. If you are interested to apply for the same, then you go through the instructions carefully while filling your application through online. Just you go through these lines from line to line. That is very important to get some idea about that. As I am sharing this just for information, but you go through the information from line to line. That is very important, dear friends. Anyway, thank you very much and all the best.